Hi everyone, I'm Maria Walt, and I'm the Program Manager for the Dairy Innovation Hub. The Dairy Innovation Hub launched last year, and it harnesses research and development at UW-Madison, UW-Platteville, and UW-River Falls to keep Wisconsin's dairy community at the global forefront. This is a $8.8 million investment for the current biennium and $7.8 million going forward. Groups like DBA were instrumental in helping us secure this funding, and DBA has been excellent at encouraging the funding going forward. To date, more than 50 projects have been funded at all three campuses. We are excited to share some of our work with you at the upcoming virtual Dairy Strong Conference on Wednesday, January 20th, as part of the Sustainability and Stewardship track. Also, shout out to Michael Best for sponsoring this session. Stewarding land and water resources is one of the 4 core pillars of the Dairy Innovation Hub. And in this session, you're going to hear from 3 research teams on their projects that are designed to address the ongoing concerns with water quality in Wisconsin. First up, we'll have Susie Weisner, who's going to talk about her project relating to reducing the life cycle and environmental impacts and improving profitability on dairy farms through things like improved crop management and ecosystems credits. Next, you'll hear from Matt Digman, and he's going to talk about the new tools and technologies that are out there to effectively predict manure nutrients and some new variable rate technology that improves nutrient use efficiency on dairy farms. And finally, our final team is Joseph Wu and John Obeyelodan, and they've got a really interesting thing going that takes waste milk, either spoiled or bacteria-contaminated milk, and actually makes 3D printing filament from it. That's a huge industry, it's exploding, so really excited to hear what they are working on. So you'll get to hear all 3 of these great research teams and a little bit about the Dairy Innovation Hub, again, on January 20th. The whole conference runs from January 19th through the 21st. Please make sure to check out our session and register for the conference. You can learn more at dairystrong.org.